Good afternoon, this is Dennis Draw with Guarantee RV here in Junction City, Oregon. It's my pleasure to take and show you today this 2020 Newmar Kountry Star. Now, just a brief note, last year the Kountry Star would have been called the Ventana LE. So they've changed the name, upgraded the interior and exterior, and really come out with a beautifully new coach. They've also added a new interior color. We've not lost any of our interior colors that people have liked so much, but they've added a new one to kind of appeal to a little different audience. So let's take a look around the outside. As you can see, very bold statement on the Kountry Star. A little different outside colors, you know, the soft gray with the silver. Of course, as we know on the Newmar diesel pushers, nice bay storage. Got some cross storage there so we can put in long things as we wish. Real big cross storage. Now, one of the things that sometimes we don't talk about is right here behind this door is an exterior TV. Exterior storage. Coming back across the back here, chassis batteries along with our chassis disconnect. .360 horse. New tail lights. Well, I really like the new graphics. It's kind of a little different take on exterior color here. Some taller storage might be good for some chairs. Power cord along with our knots. It makes it so easy to operate them. Our DEF container and great storage spot for your sewer hose. Made out of rotocast, so easy to keep clean. We're looking across the bay here. Of course, here we're going to have our service bay. See our water pump in the back corner, our whole house filter, our dump, and our kind of get a chance to look at everything there. Pass-through storage. I guess the question on this coach is, what couldn't we carry with us? So coming up front, we're going to have our chassis fusing. Access to the hood area, also the generator. One thing they do very nicely here, sometimes we lose sight of, is here, this is a simple thing. Hopefully we never need them, but if you need a spare fuse, here's some spare fuses that are well marked and easy to access. Exterior camera. As we go inside, this is our chance to see the new color. Kind of soft grays, new columns, accent lighting across the top, new roof design for our air conditioning. This is the popular floor plan with a fireplace, TV behind, 3-burner cooktop, convection microwave. Beautiful deep sinks, double sinks. New backsplash, really good looking backsplash. Fantastic fan remote. Here we have our bath and a half floor design. Raised bowl lavy sink. Queen bed. Back here in the bath, again, you know, beautiful backsplash. The colors of the wood are just so nice. Little thing they've done this year is they've backlit all the touch pads. They've also backlit the Dometic sensor to run the toilets. Here we can put in a washer dryer if you'd like. We're bringing them without because they're easy to add. Coming back through, you can see our new flooring color. 4-door RV style refrigerator, so gas and electric. These are the booth seats I always like to talk about and show customers. That radius corner is so comfortable to sit in and lean back. And if we come to the front, have our new dash area. So I thought I'd take just a moment and show you on this new dash. This is the new Freightliner steering column and dash. Tilt wheel down by your foot. Double monitors. But as you can see, the gauge is just beautifully detailed. From our home screen, we can pick additional gauges if we'd like to have them. Right here is our shifter. Here's drive. Our pack brake is built in here. Excuse me, our Jake brake, our 3-speed Jake brake. We can also shift gears here. Our comfort drive is built into the touchpad. Our windshield washers and wipers, along with our auto headlights. So if you notice, no Allison pad, no multiple switches, all kind of now moved into here with just a great job. And of course, like I said, I think it's the prettiest dash. Great colors, good visibility. And again, you can go in and pick up if you want to change some gauges. If you want to add some gauges to the bottom, you can add them right here. So hope you get a chance to come see us. Love to take a test drive and experience this together. Thank you very much. Dennis Drive with Guarantee RV.